This is Techno episode number 4. So, in this episode, I have 4 interesting news, and all of them are actually about new technology launches and about new technologies. So, let's go into the first news. So, the first news is about a security flaw in an Apple product. So, everyone knows that Google Chrome is used in Windows and Android more commonly, and Safari will be used in Apple devices only. For example, Apple MacBook, iPhones, etc. So now Google's engineers find the security flaw in Safari's web browser. So in Safari there is a security flaw which is found by Google employees. So the flaw is actually Safari browser can actually block tracking software by using digital advertisers. And now the Safari browser can be hacked in the same opposite way, which means that we can actually insert more tracking software in Safari's web browser. This is a security flaw in Safari browser found by Google employees. So let's go into the next news. So the next news is about Windows 7. So many of you are using Windows 7 and the support has been stopped for Windows 7. And Microsoft said there will be no updates for Windows 7 after this. So they said to upgrade to Windows 10. And now Microsoft has announced that they will be giving one update for Windows 7, one final update after Microsoft ended support. So the update is about a wallpaper issue. Windows 7 has some wallpaper issues. In the latest updates, this will be fixed. So that is Microsoft's last updates to the Windows 7. So this is interesting because even the operating system has lost the support. They are giving updates for this for a bug. So next is an interesting news. I like this technology very much. That is Smart Dust. So Smart Dust is a tiny micro electromechanical system. So the Smart Dust is actually a very small robot which has sensors and or other devices inside it. So it is micro electromechanical system. It is a very small microcontroller like thing. And this is good technology that. So everyone knows the size of dust. It is too small. A circuit in the size of dust is called Smart Dust. Many companies have been working on Smart Dust. So the final news for today is actually for an interesting news from the company GURU. So this is something different. So many of you know wireless charging. Wireless charging transferred by electromagnetical waves through a small wireless charging transmitter dock to the mobile, which has a coil winder in it, and also the transmitter has a coil winder in it. And now this company has launched a product, but they didn't leave it for commercial purpose. But they have proved this. So they are actually going to make zero contact energy system power delivery. So actually normal wireless charging which we are using now, we are going to place our phone in the dock, which will have contact with the phone and the dock, which is plastic or wood or metal. So at this time actually we are just keeping our phone. It is just for comfortable. We just don't need to plug in our charger. We are just keeping our phone and it transmits the power. But this technology, we just need to fix a small transmitter in a roof or something in the top of the roof, and we need to connect the receiver to our mobile. And as you can see that the receiver will be connected to the mobile, and And if we keep our mobile down, we could actually get the power supply from the transmitter to the mobile. So we can charge many devices, and we can also power devices like laptops if this technology has been developed. So now we can actually transmit only less amount of power using RF lensing technology, radio frequency lensing technology, and many companies have been working on this technology. So that's it for today. Please do like, share and subscribe to Rohit Science Experiment, and watch our other tech new videos and also other videos from Rohit Science Experiment. And don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Bye, let's meet you.